Welcome, everyone. I'm Joe Helble. I'm the Dean of the Thayer School of Engineering, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to Thayer School's 2014 Investiture ceremony. At commencement exercises tomorrow, the Thayer School will award 173 degrees. This includes 97 Bachelor of Engineering degrees, 32 of them ABBEs earned simultaneously in 4 years, 45 Master of Engineering Management degrees, 13 Master of Science degrees, and 18 doctoral degrees. In addition, Dartmouth will award AB degrees to 104 engineering sciences majors, our largest class ever, and the first time in our 147-year history that we have graduated more than 100 engineering undergraduates. Today, we will confer hoods on our BE, MEM, and MS candidates and caps on our doctoral candidates. The hoods are edged in orange because in academic regalia, orange denotes the discipline of engineering. First, let me begin by introducing you to our platform group and marshals. On my immediate right, Professor Ian Baker, the Senior Associate Dean for Academic Affairs and the Sherman Fairchild Professor of Engineering. To his right, Professor Alex Hartov, Thayer School class of 1988 and 1991, Professor of Engineering and Director of the MS and PhD programs. Professor Benoit Cushman-Rozan, Professor of Engineering and Interim Director of the Masters in Engineering Management program. Professor Edward March, Adjunct Professor of Engineering and Interim Co-Director of the MEM program. And on my far right, Eric Hansen, Associate Professor of Engineering and Acting Chair of the Engineering Sciences Department. To my left, beginning at my immediate left, Professor David Kelly, founder and chairman of IDEO, the iconic design firm, founder of Stanford University's Hassano-Plattner Institute of Design, and the Donald W. Whittier Professor at Stanford University. David is our speaker today, and I will introduce him more fully later in the program. Mr. John Replogle, Dartmouth class of 1988, Chief Executive Officer and President of Seventh Generation, Dartmouth trustee and trustee representative to Thayer School's Board of Overseers. To his left, Mr. Terrence McGuire, Thayer School class of 1982, co-founder and managing general partner, Polaris Venture Partners, and chairman of the Thayer School Board of Overseers. Mr. Chris McConnell, Dartmouth class of 1975, President, Adondo Corporation, and member of the Thayer School Board of Overseers. Ms. Sherry Oberg, Dartmouth class of 1982, Tuck class of 1986, President and Chief Executive Officer of edu21c.com, and Dartmouth trustee. And Mr. Mitchell Kurtz, Dartmouth class of 1973, Academic Dean, Director of College Counseling, and Chair of the Math Department at the Bronx Center for Science and Mathematics, and a member of the Dartmouth Board of Trustees. I'd also like to recognize our marshals today. Professor Robert Graves, our faculty marshal, the John H. Crabeel Senior Professor for Emerging Technologies, and our student marshals, Mr. Misha Gershel, Thayer BE 2014, and Ms. Stephanie Garrison, Thayer MEM 2014. And finally, I'd like to acknowledge the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences at Vanderbilt University and our incoming provost, Carolyn Dever, who is with us in the audience today. Carolyn, welcome to Thayer School and to Dartmouth. We're all excited to begin working with you very shortly. And finally, I'd like to add my welcome to all of you who are here today. Families and friends of our graduates, you've played such an important role in helping our students, our soon-to-be graduates, reach this important milestone.